Presenting the Boat Bassheads 100 earphones. These in-ear headphones come with microphone, enabling you to take calls easily while on the go. The earbuds are designed to fit snugly and comfortably. The Hawk-inspired earphones are lightweight and comfortable for all-day use. The 10mm dynamic drivers with 16 ohm speaker resistance provide immersive HD sound and powerful deep bass. The inline remote allows you to play, pause, and skip tracks or take calls, all without reaching out for your phone. This in-ear headphone is available in 6 color variants: white, blue, black, furious red, taffy pink, and yellow. These earphones come with 3 extra earbuds. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Well, wireless headphones are a rage right now, but some purists may want to stick to wired ones. And when there are cheaper options available, then why spend so much money on wireless? The product we have today is extremely affordable and is an ideal choice for private listening, and we will put them to the test to see how they fare. Simple, ordinary, and functional. I think sometimes simplicity is the best, and even though the casing is plastic, they look pretty nice and unique to their design. The build quality is decent for a budget headset, and the Boat Basshead 100, I think, will hold up for a reasonable amount of time. While the connectivity is through a standard 3.5mm plug, it has 10mm dynamic drivers, a frequency response range of 20 to 20,000 Hz, 16 ohms of impedance, and a sensitive rating of 92 decibels. The sales package includes a total of 3 pairs of silicone earbuds, and the fit of the earphones is quite comfortable. Going by the price, these earphones do quite a decent job. The sound is loud and clean, and the sonic signature suits most popular music genres with slightly elevated response in the lows and highs. Bumping the level up to around 80% immediately improves the sound quality, but the lows still might be a little dull. These earphones have a decent stereo separation and an impressive sound stage. The beats are distinct and present in most songs without drowning out the clean nature of the other sounds in the songs. While the mid-range is audibly restrained, it does not significantly affect the listening experience. While the bass is present, but it is a little laid back and subtle as opposed to exciting and driven. It performs decently well as a hands-free headset for voice calls, but the mic is only a problem in noisy environments. These are an uncomplicated pair of earphones that do exactly what they're supposed to, which is play music to your ears. At this price range, this earphone is not for audiophiles. It's mainly for people who want to listen to music on the go, when they're traveling or in a cab, or just want to listen to music casually. Well, I would recommend it because at this price, it is definitely worth the purchase.